Okay, so we're going to rock, paper, scissors, and then you have the choice to either have the egg cracked on your head or crack it on your opponent's head. Now, the person that wins the contest is the one that gets the hard-boiled egg cracked on their forehead. So if you keep winning rock, paper, scissors and keep cracking on his head and you have a hard-boiled egg that hits his head, he wins. So you might want to have him crack an egg on your head. I don't know. So I'll leave it up to you. So let's get down to round 1 and let's start the rock. Hey, I want to see rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I win.
All right, what are you doing? Oh, slow it down, Tex. All right.
Yeah, lean.
Hey, he's winning then.
No,
you can't tell.
Feel them all.
All right, Caden, you got to get behind him. Right? Yep, right in the crown of his head.
Right here.
Yep. Go. Hit it. Oh!
Keep your mouth closed, okay? Keep your mouth closed.
There.
Here.
All right, sit up, sit up, sit up.
Okay. Did it hurt? Kind of. Depends on which
Push it away.
Here.
Okay.
Push it away.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gotcha. Oh.
Yeah, wait. If it's a hard-boiled one and it cracks on his head, he wins. Oh, Caden's still gonna go for
You're
it.
so mean. Ow!
Wipe your hands, wipe your hands.
Oh, okay, give it to me. That's so mean. It went down my back. Okay, now I hope you know you're getting it. Okay. Rock, paper, okay, please.
Not hard. Now be careful, not too hard.
Bend over. No, don't do it hard, okay, man? I won't.
All right, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang. Don't do it too hard, man. Just do it softly and slowly harder.
Softly and then slowly
Just,
harder.
ah!
How's it feel? That was perfect, actually. Okay? Alright. Go.
This is the last egg. It has not
Can I wear
been right up until it gets cracked. Now wait a minute, stop, Caden.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Rock, paper, scissors. All right, now.
Crack it on me. Do it. Wait, I lost.
It doesn't matter.
You still gotta do the crack. You still gotta do the
This is gonna
crack.
hurt. Did that hurt? You guys are so mean. That's the meanest thing I think you've ever done. I knew you guys were gonna pull that. I was like, last second, they're gonna do it. I knew it. For that, we have to crack an egg on you.
No,
Come on, man.
there were no hard-boiled eggs in this contest. But
Where's my $5?
you guys both get $5.
Yes.
All right. Okay, let's do
Last
our.
minute, I was like,
Hey.
that's gonna be.
Let's finish it up, guys.
Okay, so that was interesting to say the least.
Looks like
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and have an amazing day. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.